So when I met Ape at his work, and he showed me what he could do with the 3D printing, and I kind of rediscovered the different aspects of the material, but also the new sizes and how organic you could actually make things look with 3D printing. It was a whole new world that opened to me, and I knew that I could transform my digital language, and I could make it more physical. The coolest thing about 3D printing is the ability to have, you have an idea in your mind, and you can go really quickly from the idea, from the 3D object that I work with, and the 3D objects that you create, and then you can really quickly see a result, and you can get that tangible feeling of this thing that was just flat on the screen. Now it's there in your hands, and it's just a magic feeling. My thoughts on 3D printing in art is that, well, there are a lot of those, but I think definitely after this experience of having this exhibition, the Daydream exhibition, it's really opened up to new possibilities.